Hey pretties, if it's your first time here, don't let it be your last. And if you're back, welcome. Let's glam. I moved the laptop because it was so distracting and it's still distracting me. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I did my brows off camera. If you would like to see a video showing you how I did my brows, go ahead and comment down below. We just need to bring it up to life. Bring it back to life. I used the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Walnut in order to clean up and shape my brows. I think I'm going to complete this look using one palette. We are going to be using the Juvia's Place Berry palette, the Berries. So for our eyeshadow, I will be using the ABH Eye Primer. Here we go. I'm gonna dab a little bit here. Color on the top row in the middle. Get that nicely on our brush. And we're going to start. Bring it in first. It's going to kind of dull down that pink. Do we like that? We like that. That's very well blended. I am literally just bringing in the first shade that we used, the middle row. Now, for the third shadow, we're going in with the deeper color in order to bring our crease back before we cut it so that it can have some depth to it. Depth. That's how you say it? Depth. Depth. Whatever. Grab your brushes. Grab your brushes. So you're just gonna pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it, pack it. Beautiful! Oh my gosh, look at that! I like that. What y'all think? Perfection, bro. If you wanted to, should I? Should I? If you wanted to, you can add a little bit of black because that will help. So be extremely careful with the color black. This is the Morphe James Charles. Very, very, very lightly. And you just literally right here. Crease. Let's cut our crease. Let's cut our crease. Sis can't mess this one up. Okay? Once you mess up cutting your crease, you can fix it. Okay, so you just do this, right? That's what I do. Look up. And if you have the shape like mine, you want to pull your eye up. To be honest with you, like if I had a better angle, I really would benefit from pulling my eye up. And that's it. You want to pat away some of the excess. I'll bring back this dark shade here. This purple. You just dust it. Dust it on, girl. Dust it on. Pack it on there, girl. Pack it on. Pack it on. What's the song? Body yanny 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 yanny. Give that black some body. Dust, dust, dust. See how it's bringing in that color? It's very, very, very buildable. You go, Juvia. You go, Juvie. Yeah. Lightest shade that we had used up in our eyebrows. The middle. And we're going to put it in our inner corner. Definitely put in metallic. Metallic should be used. They have, so this metallic here. This metallic here might be calling my name, or this metallic here. I think this metallic is calling my name. Let's see, let's pray. Okay, this metallic was definitely calling my name. Yes, you were. If you wanted me, you should have just said that. That's the pigment, baby. That's the pigment. Ooh, then we're gonna put an inner. Oh, jeez, this is gonna pop, bro. This is gonna pop. This is definitely gonna pop. Okay, let's do the other eye off camera. So we finish this eye off camera. Now we're gonna do the eyeliner. I wanna do a wing liner, but not too thick. But I want you to know that it's there. Comprende? Right here, no extra product. I just, first of all, I let this dry down just a smidge. Just a smidge. We're gonna let it dry down just a little bit. Then we just pat. See that? It doesn't really take away the wing, but I don't want to take away from the fact that I wanted this deep. Does that make sense? They say time heal. NYX pore filler, because as you can see, Mama's got some pores going on. That's fine. Primarily over where my pores are so large. Oh, fill them back. That's it. So today we're actually gonna try a new foundation. It is the Morphe Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage. That's what they say. That's what they say. Let me know if you would like me to do a review on it. Norka, is it your shade? Might you ask? Let's find out. To use a Real Techniques Instapop face brush. So now we're gonna go in with a damp beauty sponge. This one is from Color Green. Under the eyes, it's not really too crazy because you're gonna put concealer. I will be using a new concealer today. Let's see. Believe it or not, I'm actually using a lot of new products. I'm extremely satisfied with all of Juvia's other eyeshadow palettes. So I went ahead and ordered the berry one. I think I got the chocolate one too. Let's see what I can create with that. So we're actually going to layer our concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Oh, this might be a little bit, just a smidge too bright. Just a smidge. But we can make it work. We're gonna go back with our Maybelline in the color Walnut. And we're just gonna mix that in like so. I have some dark areas around my mouth, so. And then this one is closer to my skin tone. And we're gonna go ahead and use the Real Techniques buffing brush. I don't let my concealer sit for long. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out. This is blending these two together. And don't be afraid to go down the sides of your nose so that you can get that slim nose effect. Flawless, honey, flawless. So then you want to contour. I will be using Ebony Brown for Black Opal cream contour. I have a chin, guys, I really do. So here I don't really have to do much. That's that on that. You kind of want your contour to stay where it is. So you just brush it up. Brush it up. And don't be afraid, bring it into your brows, honey. Bring it. I don't know if I have an older Sacha Buttercup, but honey, this is not working for me. I hate this sifter. And then the darker color, which for me is the Laura Mercier, which is my skin tone, is going to go at the bottom. The contour we are going to set with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, Dark to Deep. Now, this right here, you want to be so careful with it. This contour in this palette can get really dark. So I actually take more Sculpt and then a little bit of, and I just wipe it off right here. So like literally just, I'll dust that thing off, okay? You're gonna show me what you gonna do first. So hubby came home, guys.
Okay.
He's not gonna get on camera, but.
Okay.
Do you wanna say hi to the pretties? Hello. Dust it very lightly over our face. dust it all over your face to make sure everything is set. Everything. Boom. So we're gonna go ahead and put some lash glue. Today we will be using Miami by Lily Lashes. I'm going to spray our face. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. Do our lips. This is the MAC pencil in Chestnut. We're gonna go ahead and line our lips. I think we're gonna do a nude lip because my eyes are so loud. Pat the mallard in. Now we're gonna pop these lashes on, honey. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna do any highlighter or anything like that again because I'm not going anywhere. It's actually like 2 a.m. But I definitely wanted to film this look for you guys. Let me know down below if you're more into bright eye colors or you want to do some natural, some neutral, some everyday, some brunch, some. Let me know it all, honey boo. Let me know it all. I almost forgot. This is what we're gonna put to just fill in the little gaps that we have in our eyebrows. So this is a completed look. Tell me what you think down below. Love it? Hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time one of my videos go up. Thank you for glamming with me. Mwah!